A BMO study in 2017 found that millennials are smarter and more skilled than previous generations. However, when it came to financial literacy, only about 24% of them had a basic understanding of it. Financial literacy is a skill that's rarely taught and is essential to a young adult's future. ACMP decided to test out Carleton students' financial literacy. This is how they responded. So, what's your name?
My name is Aaron Cole.
Cool. What program are you in?
I'm in economics at Carleton.
Anola,
Okay, nice to meet you. I'm Ahmed. And what program are you in?
civil engineering.
Ooh, cool. Okay, awesome.
My name is Megan. I'm in the Public Affairs and Policy Management program.
Jennifer,
Jennifer, and what program are you in?
Biology and Humanities.
Brian Quinn. I'm in first year Papum.
Oh, cool. Public affairs.
Mary, Begins first year.
My name is Cameron, and I'm in political science.
So, how well do you think you know financial literacy?
Pretty well.
So, what is a credit score?
I have no idea what that is. I don't know what a credit score is.
It's something you get when you use your credit card and if you don't pay back your credit payments, I think.
I know it's like a number you get if you pay off your credit card or something and you're in the good or in the bad. I don't know, it tells me on my app.
It's a scale to like measure how much you'll pay, how much like a reliable creditor you are. So it's kind of like if you have a high credit score, it means like you pay off whatever debt you have and you pay it off on time.
How often do you check your bank account?
Not often at all. Maybe like twice a 2 weeks or twice a month, maybe.
Honestly, daily.
Yeah.
Oh, I always try to avoid it. I'm kind of scared to look at it, so.
Yeah, I can relate to that.
I check my bank account every day. It's not great.
So I wake up and that's the first thing I check.
Do you budget your money?
By budgeting, I don't do that, to be honest with you, so I'm not even gonna lie.
I'd say I budget my money probably monthly. Set a monthly budget for like groceries, transportation, entertainment, things like that.
No, I do not. I try to, I really do, but sometimes I kind of need to eat, so whenever there's food to eat, I'll buy it, but I try to budget like for like books and for going out with my friends.
I budget every month. So yeah, I budget very often.
Like I like to keep track of what I'm spending and how much I'm buying and things like that, so like all the time.
So, do you know when your taxes are due?
I think so.
No, I don't know what they're due. No, I've never done taxes before and I have no idea.
Right, okay.
I think sometime in March, but I have no idea.
Do you know what taxes are due?
No.
I believe it's April 30th or May 1st, around that area.
February something. I think it's like the end of February or something like that. No, that's when they start. Never mind. I don't know when they're due.
No, I think they're due like near the end or beginning of a year, but I'm not exactly sure when.
ACMP wants to help you improve your financial literacy. We're holding an event on January 25th from 5 to 8 p.m. at Carleton University. I'm Ahmed Abdi from ACMP, and we look forward to seeing you there.